Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Music. This gets you to the playback controls quickly. Once there, make sure Apple Music is enabled and that you're signed in because Crossfade only appears when playback is active. Next, scroll to Playback and locate Crossfade. Do not skip this. It's the control that blends track endings. Tap Crossfade to reveal the slider and prepare to set the overlap length. This first step unlocks the rest of the process. Now adjust the slider to set how many seconds one track overlaps the next. This is where the effect happens. You'll hear the difference immediately, so play 2 songs back to back and listen for a natural blend versus an abrupt cut. Once done, fine-tune by genre. Shorter crossfades keep punch in pop or rock, longer crossfades suit ambient or DJ-style sets. Make sure to test several settings, and keep the slider where transitions feel seamless without muddying vocals or beats. Finish by exiting settings and playing a playlist end-to-end to confirm the crossfade behaves as expected. This is the real check. If you don't hear blending, force quit Apple Music and reopen it, or toggle crossfade off and back on. That often fixes state issues. Also make sure songs aren't offline only or DRM restricted, because those can block crossfade. If problems persist, restart your device. Once restarted, retry and the crossfade should engage normally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.